So this is our customer Jay's car. It's a 2015 STI that he's got some pretty cool stuff done to. The coolest thing is he's got one of our original stage 3 headlight builds on the car. These headlights we built for him maybe 2 or 3 years ago now. They look awesome. If you guys want to build headlights that look just like Jay's, you can get all the parts still on circuitdemon.com. But that's all I know for now. I'm gonna leave the rest up to Kevin. So let's jump into the tune. What do we got going on here?
We got a 15 STI.
Already gave him the whole backstory with Jay's been a customer of ours before.
He's bone stock with a downpipe. Yep. Daniel pop. Yeah, we're gonna install an intake and blow-off valve for him. Okay.
Fresh oil.
Yeah. Usually on every car I go to check the stick every time, and there was nothing on it. I was like, it's not good. And then Chris mentioned that it needs an oil change, and I drained the oil out of it, and there was probably like 1.5 quarts of oil in it.
Oh, bueno.
But got the rest of the stuff on. Blow-off valve, intake, and that, and start tuning on it on the old highlighter.
What are we tuning on today?
We will be doing this on the Cobb HP.
Good old corn on the cob for this highlighter. No corn though, just 93 I think.
So he was having very weird readings on the access port, and I basically nailed it down to like if you turn the key on or off, they would show really weird readings randomly. So I just wanted to check the grounds. That ground over there in front of the coolant tank, this one is good. It's tight. But this one that goes from the battery to the block is, I can literally just like flop it around. So if you go through here, yeah, that's your ground cable just flopping away. So
it's always something
I'm
little.
gonna see if I can get it from underneath first. If not, I gotta pull the top out.
If that's the case, we're just going home today. We're done.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
See, it's not always changing numbers on a computer. It's finding small stuff too that can cause a big problem. Once again, the tuner fixing problems. Just small stuff, but no go.
That's how it is coming off.
All right, time to go home. See ya.
Now, see.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That was baseline tune, just to see what he does. So 272 from the start, and then we'll see where we end up here shortly. What you got?
Just getting the V and everything dialed. Looks really good. It's within like 4% everywhere. 18 pounds boost. Runs good. Happy with it.
Sounds good.
Looks good. It's loud.
Yeah.
It's loud.
Yeah, these get real loud.
This thing is loud.
You can hear that blow-off valve as well. Open up. Just a good sneeze.
Look at that. Baby smooth. That's how you let them run good.
What'd we end up at?
We ended up at about 290 in Sport Sharp. Sport was about 280, and then Intelligent was about 270. Bigger bearing torque between the three. Left it at 18 pounds. Got the factory fuel system in it. Just pretty much tuned it for the speed density, tuned it for the blow-off valve. So he can adjust it softer, harder, whatever, and it's not going to affect the tune at all. Other than that, runs good. Got the weird numbers sorted. The ground cable being loose was not helping anything. So yeah, other than that, turned out good. If you'd like
the highlighter's done.
If you'd like to get dyno tuned, stock, modified, whatever, access port isn't required, so I can do this same kind of thing without requiring an access port. Just give us a shout, shoot us an email, send us a DM.
See ya.
See ya.